Hello friends, let's learn the different kinds of animals. Let's start with the pet animals. Pet animals or companion animal is an animal kept for a person's company or entertainment. Here are the most common pet animals. Cat. Cats have many favorable traits, including their ease of care, cleanliness, and adorable antics, making them wonderful pet for any family. Dogs. Dogs were the first animals ever to be domesticated. They are a popular pet because they are usually playful, friendly, and loyal to humans. Parrots. Parrots can be very rewarding pets to the owners due to their intelligence and desire to interact with people. Goldfish. Pet fish are kept in a glass tank called an aquarium. Fish need to be fed in small amounts each day to keep them healthy. Rabbit. Rabbits make a great pet for children. However, they are fragile and young children should not handle them. Next are the farm animals. Farm animals are animals that are kept for agricultural purposes. Example of farm animals is goat. Goats can be farmed with a small area of pasture and with limited resources. Another farm animals is pig. Pigs are among the smartest of all domesticated animals and are even smarter than dogs. Next is dog. Dogs are raised for their eggs and meat, down, and feathers. Horses are kept and raised on a farm or ranch and are used in commercial enterprise. This is a cow, another farm animal. They are raised for their meat, milk, or hides, or for draft purposes. Last are the wild animals. Wild animals live on its own without any help from people. They can find their own food and habitat. Crocodiles. Crocodiles have powerful jaws with strong teeth and short legs with clawed webbed toes. Monkey. Monkey is a kind of wild animals. They live in trees, grasslands, forests, mountains, and plants. These are the elephants. They can live up to 70 years in the wild. Elephants are used as working animals in Asia. Another wild animal is the snake. All snakes are carnivorous, eating insects, snails, small mammals, birds, eggs, and fish. Lion is an example of wild animal. They are large, powerfully built cat that is second in size only to the tiger. Again, guys, these are the pet animals. Goldfish, rabbit, cats, also the farm animals: pig, goat, duck, cow, horse, and of course, the wild animals: monkey, lion, snake, elephant, crocodile. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Woo!